This is an incredible Minolta Super 8 camera with original leather back. As you can see, you'll be able to order with the back or without the back as you wish. And the camera is in outstanding condition, as you'll see in a second. This is the Minolta XL 250. Great working order, great working light meter, frame rates, automatic zoom, and the handle comes off, which is quite handy from time to time. Super clean lens, as you can see. So let's test it out. In order to get the camera working, you need to open the lid. As you can see, super clean battery compartment. Please always follow the instructions here on the side, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. Once the two batteries are in, voila, working. As you can see, the light meter, if I turn it towards the light, which is coming from there, goes up, and if I put my hand in front of it, it goes properly down. Light meter works very correctly. The camera is in truly outstanding condition. As you can see, super clean lens with perfectly working automatic zoom as well as manual one. Focus works nicely. This is the manual zoom. So we always test the cameras with XPAR cartridges. XPAR cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. As you can see, this one barely moves. So if the motor manages to spin an XPAR cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge. Mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, very well working. And let's see what the result is. The result is no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning XPAR cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together. The camera is in truly outstanding condition, so whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive together.